welcome to What's Cooking Mug Edition. My name is Miss Alexis and I work at the Asheboro Public Library in the children's room. Today we are going to be making a rainbow mug cake. If you haven't already washed your hands, you can pause the video here to do so. Keep in mind this recipe does make 2 mug cakes, so if you want to just make one, you can cut the recipe in half. For this you will need a half a cup of all-purpose flour, a 1/4 cup of sugar, a half a stick of room temperature butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, a half a teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 eggs, some food coloring, 4 separate bowls, and 1 large big bowl. You can also add cream cheese frosting or vanilla frosting if you'd like. Let's go ahead and start with our butter and our sugar in a large bowl. And you want to either use a fork or a whisk and mix these together until it's like a fluffy consistency. So you just want it to look like that, and then you want to add your eggs in one at a time. So I'll do my first egg. And we're going to mix that in. Now we'll add our second egg. All right. Next, we're going to add in our vanilla. Now we're going to add in our dry ingredients. So we're going to add in our flour, our baking soda, baking powder, and our salt. And you just want to mix these until they're combined, but be careful not to over mix. Once you have it all mixed together, then you want to take your bowls and set them out and divide the batter into the bowls evenly. Once you have them separated, you can add a couple of drops of food coloring, 1 color per bowl. And then you want to take a spoon and mix the food coloring in. And if you want the color to be darker, you can always add more food coloring. Once you have all of your food coloring mixed in, then you want to add spoonfuls to your mug one at a time. So we're just going to get a spoonful, drop it into our mug, and you can do it in whatever order you like. Once you finish adding in the layers, you want to pop it in the microwave for 45 seconds or until firm, but careful not to overcook. Once it's finished cooking in the microwave, ask an adult to assist you with removing the mug because it may be hot. fun that looks. Now we're gonna let it cool for a minute and then we'll add some icing on top. Now that it's cool, I'm just gonna take my bag of icing here and add just a little bit to the top. So it looks like that. And now we're gonna taste test it. So pretty. It's very fluffy and very moist. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did and would like to see more, join me every 2 weeks for a new episode of What's Cooking Mug Edition. My next video will premiere on Wednesday, December 16th, and we'll be making lasagna in a mug. Thanks for tuning in. Bye, guys.